For this kind of question, right, recall that we actually have a few scenarios, right? So we have a typical one. This is a typical one here, all right? So this one will be like, usually you let this be x, and then automatically, right, this is 15 minus x, and then this is 11 minus x, right? Correct. Then we have another kind, which is you will have them split up like that. So this is set A and set B. So A, B, right? This is the second scenario. Then we have the third scenario. The third scenario will be who is bigger though? I think A is bigger, so that means B is all the way inside. Okay, so what we have is okay, so this one here, right? They want the largest possible of A union B. So you must decide which one is largest. You see, if I'm doing this, right? This one here, if B is 11, right? Then this one total A is 15, right? So left 4 only. So it's actually the smallest. Can you see that? So largest is actually this one. So when I have largest as this one, right? This one will be 15 people here, but then 11 people here. So then when I do this, right? 15 plus 11, right? What will 15 plus 11 be? This one, that means A union B, right? If I do number like that, right? This is 26. Correct, this is 26, eh? So 26, but you see the total number of people is only 23. So cannot be already lah. So that means, right, this scenario is out already. It's wrong already. So this one cannot be because this one, the number of A union B, so small, 15 only, eh? Correct. So what I think of is the one that we can consider is this one. So that means this is the possible scenario, meaning, right? Okay, meaning, right, outside there's 0 people, lor. Then all the 23 people are squeezed inside A union B, lor. So that's why for this one will be 23. So draw out your scenarios because every time the question every time is different one, when they try to test. Okay? Okay. A group of 40 students surveyed. 32 got mobile, 19, 3 is outside like that, right? Let's just make sure we draw our Venn diagram. All right, so this is the typical thing that we like to do. We're going to let the middle one be X because they say they want us to find what though? They want us to find the number of people that have both, correct? So then in this case here, 32 is mobile phone, this is a laptop, 3 must be outside, okay? So 32 minus x, this is 19 minus x. So you add everything together. 32 minus x plus 19 minus x plus 3, it should be 40 students. So manipulate nicely. I just shortcut, you all count yourself. This is like that. So x is actually 14. So I managed to solve it already. Okay, so this is the set one. Any more set? Let me dig out. Okay, I think for question 17, right, if I'm not wrong, right, the one that you all have don't have the bottom one. So please go and try that, okay? No, sorry, not this paper, wrong already. Okay, let me just finish up all the sets question. Okay, the first one is A intersect B outside. Okay, I'll do A intersect B first. So A intersect B is over here, right? So when I want the outside of it, where am I shading? Like that. Okay. Then this one here, not difficult because this one here, what is this? This is your A intersect B. But I don't want A intersect B, I want the opposite of it. So the opposite of it will be outside. Okay. This one how to name? This one got a bit of problem because this is P. Oh dear me. Guys, be careful. Don't be like me, okay? So this one here is a P and Q. Yeah, it should be P and Q, okay? Same for this one. Okay, this one, I surely need to talk about Q1. Can see it not? But because I only want a part of Q. So since I only want a part of Q, right, I confirm must do intersect. So intersect with what though? Intersect with maybe, I want this, right? Correct? So I want like that. What is this? This is P outside. So this is a simple way of looking at it. Okay? Okay. This one. 1 all the way to 17 inclusive. A is your prime number. So A will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Set B is factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, right? C is multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so list the elements of B. List the elements of B. So this one is done, right? Okay, then after that, A intersect B. If you want, you can draw Venn diagram, but I think I can just spot from here. A intersect B, got this one. Oh, that's all. Okay, A intersect B. So 1 is not a prime number. We have mentioned this a million times. Yeah. So A intersect B is just 2 and 3. Okay, so now we need to circle the statement from here. I'm sure we need to do some A, B, C. So I'm going to bring this down so it's easier for us, okay? Okay, so A, B, and C. Okay, so what we have here is that 17 is not an element of A. But I got 17, so 17 is here, correct? So this statement is wrong already. So this one wrong. Okay, next one. A intersects C got nothing. Let me see, A intersects C. Okay, wait, but what does this mean? Oh my gosh. This is so misleading because this is what? Element of 0. So if you A intersects C, right, is, yeah, there's nothing, right? But then it should be just an empty set. So just an empty set means you either write this or you write this. No such thing, so this one also wrong. Okay? B intersects C is 4 and 12. Yeah, this one is correct, right? Because B intersects C, 4, 8, oops. 4 and 12, right? So this one is correct. C is a proper subset of B. So this one is trying to tell you, right, that C, right, can be drawn like that. Can you draw B and C like that? Cannot, right? Because C, right, has what element though? C has 8 is an element of C, 16 is an element of C, but 8 is not an element of B, 16 is not an element of B. Okay, so like that. So there's only one. Yeah, so lame. There's only one. Okay, so this paper, the question for sets quite okay.